Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix reset face ID not working on iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, you will see first option is face ID and passcode. So click on face ID and passcode. Now here enter your passcode. Now here you will see set up face ID. So scroll down. Here you will see show you reset face ID. So you will click on face ID. So your face ID is reset. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix reset face ID not working on iOS 26. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.